waiting on it. She's like,
Caitlin, can you say cat?
Cat.
Can you say cow?
Cow.
Can you say puppy?
Puppy.
Can you say mummy?
Mommy.
Daddy?
Daddy.
Kira?
Sheila.
Sarah?
Sheila.
Can you say Brianna? No?
can you say Bree?
Ta.
Thank you. Can you count to 5 for me?
Yeah.
1,
2, 3, 4.
and say 5. Yay! Clap. Good girl. Caitlin, look at the moo cow. Look at the moo cow.
No.
Is Mummy home? Caitlin, no puppy here? Where are you going? You can't really go there.
You want to go to Mummy?
Do you want Mummy? Do you love me?
No.
Okay.
Come on, we'll go say